In the Appearance Settings, Typography Options of your Hestia Pro WordPress theme, you can see two tabs. This one is where you can change the font family, and the next tab is where you can adjust the font size. You can do that for posts, pages, front page sections, and for your menu too. Cool! So let's see how you can use them properly. First, I will show you how to choose the perfect headings font family in this dropdown, and the body font family over here. The font subsets I use is Latin, but you can use any subset in the list below according to the required diacritic of your own language. Okay, now what I will use as my set of fonts is Lora for the headings and Merriweather for the body font family. This is not something I invented myself, as being a good match. What I use to find the best pairs is fontpair.co. So, let's simply select the Lora in this dropdown and then search for the Merriweather font type over here. If we go to the sample page, for example, we can see the changes in real time for both sets of fonts. Cool. Now let's go to the next tab and play with the sizes a little bit so we can deliver the best experience to our visitors. We are on the same sample page, so if we adjust this value, we can see that the size of the title is what we change. And I think that +7 is just fine for this one. For the headings, adjust this value and see what's happening. Feel free to play with these settings until you get a balanced dimension for each font and publish your changes. Now, let's move to the front page sections. Here, you have the ability to change the text size of your big title section. If you have more than 4 words in this sentence and you want to have it in one line, then reduce the size of it until you get the desired result. Next, scroll down a little bit until you can see what's happening if you change the size of your section title and section subtitle. Remember that these changes will affect each section, not just the first one. Finally, you can change the text size of your content too. And you can see what's happening live over here. I think you already know that most of your visitors will use a smartphone to see what's on your website. So, we have prepared Hestia Pro for that kind of optimization too. Just look at the size of your big title section as a smartphone user, for example, and adjust its size as needed. Do the same on posts and pages and make sure your visitors will be able to read everything properly. In the generic options below, you can set the size of your menu elements separately for the desktop view, for tablets and smartphones. How cool is that? I think I have covered everything about the font settings, but if you have questions, please leave a comment below and I will do my best to answer it. Also, remember that we have priority support for our Hestia Pro users, so check the link in the description box to get in touch with us. See you in the next video.